And it wasn't the most glamorous job when I started. I worked for someone in Tribeca. I was living in Brooklyn Heights. All my friends used to make fun of me. They said I was driving a tasty cake truck. But little by little, I grew that person's business. And then it was time for me to leave in 2007. I bought Orwashers, which at that point was 92 years old, was a stalwart, kind of iconic brand in the city that still needed some work. It needed a refresh. So I've spent the last 15 years, it's going to be 16 soon, refreshing the brand. So it went from one small retail store with some wholesale in the basement to 3 retail stores, 2 in Manhattan, 1 in Roslyn Heights, and a large wholesale business. That includes both fresh, delivered to the tri-state area, and now we've branched off in our par-baked frozen line that soon to be will be national. So I'm really proud of what I've done and accomplished with my team, and we just continue to grow and innovate and really want to put out some of the best products, whether it's breads, cookies, sandwiches, even some of our coffee drinks. So we're always trying to embody that historic significance of Orwashers and really put out a fine quality product.
So how many years has Orwasher's been in business in total?
Orwashers opened its doors in 1916. We're not really sure what month, but we are very sure that it's 1916. So as a Centurion business, right, there's not many of us left, not only in New York and the tri-state, but nationally. So we're kind of in rarefied air with that, and I'm really proud of it.
Yeah, legendary in New York.
I'd like to think so.